Okay, so we have an arithmetic sequence here, and this is written recursively. So this is all the information they've given us, and this is our standard formula for it. And this is our question. Write the first 6 terms of the sequence. Okay, so the sequence is written as this being the term. The term number is equal to the term number before plus whatever our value is that increases or decreases by, hence being arithmetic, either adding or subtracting. And the n, so the term number has to be greater than 1. Okay, so here's our example. It says the first term, so t1, is actually equal to the value of 1. That works out great. Okay, so when t1, yeah, so t1 is equal to 1. Okay, so with that being said, t2 is what we're going to solve next. So t2 is our unknown. Okay, so t2 is equal to t2 minus t1. Okay, and I'll show you what they mean by this. So t2 minus t1 plus 2. Okay, t2 minus t1. Let's do that on the side. t2 minus t2 minus 1 is equal to just t1. Well, we know t1 is equal to the value of 1, so we can replace this term with the number 1. So term 2 is equal to 1 plus 2. So term 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so the first term in this, okay, t1.
So you just plugged in with t1 equals 1 to
this? Is 1. t2 was the number 3. Okay, and it looks like what's happening is we're going up by 2 every single time, and that's what this value is here.
Confused. I'm not sure how, like, what t2 and then you use because t2 taken 1 makes t1. Right?
Yeah, that's where we got this value here. So t1 is equal to 1. So let's continue this pattern because the number 2 is what we're increasing by. Okay, after 3, if we go up by 2, we'd be at 5. Okay, that would be the third term. The fourth term, we increase that by 2, it would be 7. The fifth term, we increase that by 2, it would be 9. And then finally, the sixth term, we increase that by 2. It's really lagging. Would be 11. So those are the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms in this sequence. Really, what's really important here, okay, if we know this value and we know what the first term is, we really just need to take the first term and add this to it.
So
right?
Where's that
this was our 1.
2 from? Is that...
That's in the question. They gave us that value.
That's one of the terms.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you take that first term, t1, they give you, and just add that to it.